Introducing the 2012 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. All of the premium features expected of a Chevrolet are offered, including delay-off headlights, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, and cruise control. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and ABS brakes. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.